Hello and welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video, we are going to see how you can change the name of your Slack bot who is sending messages using Pabbly Connect automation on your Slack channel. So a lot of users were requesting that they want to know how they can change the name of the bot who is sharing the messages. So in this video, we are going to see how you can do that. Now here, as you can see, I have created an automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. And in this workflow, I have selected Google Forms as a trigger application. And here you can see I have also received some test form response. And we are creating a workflow between Google Forms and Slack in which we are sending the Google Form responses on your Slack channel as a message. So in our action window, I have selected Slack as an application and the action event is send channel message. We have connected our Slack channel and then after that from this drop down we have selected the channel that in which channel we want to send the messages. Then I have created the message with the form responses. Now here we have an option to add the image URL and image alt text, like if you want to share some kind of image you can do that too. Now after this here you can see we have two different fields. First one is the bot name and second one is the bot icon. So using these two fields, you can basically specify that what will be the name of the bot who is going to share the messages on your Slack channel. So let's, for example, I would like to name the bot as Google Forms. So let me enter the name of the bot as Google Forms. So whatever bot name we are going to enter over here, with the same bot name, the message will be sent on our Slack channel. After name, we also have an option to add the bot icon. Now here guys, what we can do, we can basically actually change the display picture, the icon of the bot as well. And what you have to do just to change it, you just have to enter a URL of the image which you want to set up as the bot icon. So here I've already copied an image URL and this is it. This is the image which I want to set up as the bot icon. So I'm going to paste the same URL in this bot icon section. After this, here are some other options regarding the messages like auto expand link, username and channel name, reply to broadcast and thread message ID. So you can basically change all of these things according to your use case, your automation workflow. And after mentioning the bot name and icon, what we are going to do, we are just going to click on save and send test request. Now, when we click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received a response. And this response says we have basically shared this same message which we have created over here on a Slack channel. Now guys, let's check our Slack channel first. So here we will go to Slack. And yes guys, here you can see that a new message is sent on our Slack channel and the bot who shared this message is named as Google Forms. The same bot name which we have entered in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this bot name section. Also, we will notice one thing here, the bot icon is also changed. We have this bot icon over here, the same icon whose URL, whose link we have added over here in Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's state one is again. For example, I'll just remove this bot icon this time. And this time, the bot name, I'm changing the bot name, for example, to Pabbly. I want Pabbly to be the bot name. Or should I say Demo Pabbly? This is the bot name. And after this, just click on save and send test request. And once again, the message is sent. We will check our Slack channel. And yes, here you can see that this time Demo Pabbly is basically the name of the bot who shared the message. So in this way, whatever bot name you want to add or with whatever bot name you want to share the message on your Slack channel, you can basically enter the bot name over here as well. Now let's take another example that I want to change the bot name. I want the bot name to be a dynamic field. So from the drop down, let's take an example that I want that whatever response of a user which I'm getting from Google Form, I want the bot name to be the name of that person. So here we have the response of first name and last name. So let's map the first name, give a space, and then let's map the last name as well. And after that, let's click on save and send test request. So once again, we have sent a message and we will check our Slack channel. And yes, here you can see that demo name, the same name which user has entered while submitting the form, by the same name, by the same bot name basically, we have shared a message on a Slack channel. So in this way guys, you can actually change the name of the bot and also the icon of the bot who is sharing the messages on your Slack channel while creating automation workflows with Slack inside Pabbly Connect. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with others and subscribe to Pabbly to keep getting content on automations and integrations. So this is it for today's video guys. Thank you. Have a great day.